It looks like Walmart's trying to clear out the warehouse. It's a much older inventory. Hey, I'll take it. Sticker's coming off. Oh no! Doesn't matter. I plan on putting this one together. It was the one I was going to go after, but hey, paying retail for a chase, I'm not going to complain about that. Now, which wheels to go for? Definitely have to make a video, putting that together. Decide which wheels. I guess you guys can let me know which wheels would you rather me have, the ones on the left or the ones on the right. Whichever ones you guys decide on, the most comments, is one that I will put on that vehicle. Because I mean, this is a toss-up for me. I mean, they both look awesome. We got the Volkswagen Beetle, the Microbus Deluxe. It's a pretty nice green. And last but not least, Chevrolet 3100, and that is sweet. Wish that was the chase. Pretty sweet sets. Looks like I got beat to the Auto Worlds. Only 4 hanging. Oh well. Anyways, let me know what you guys are finding, and let me know if you're finding the new model kits. I've heard of some of them being found, but it's completely hit or miss. Anyways, good luck and happy hunting.